what's up, y'all? Me and my daddy just installed my new light bar. He helped me drill the holes and wire it, because I don't know very much about wiring stuff. I'm still learning. But yeah, we got a temporary washer right here. We're gonna get another one and probably another switch that looks better. And we're gonna, paint it green so it matches the Honda. Don't know where Deuce one went. Oh, there he is. But it's pretty bright. I'm probably gonna make an update video on it tonight when it gets dark. We already tested it when it was starting to get dark last night. It looks pretty good. We got it on, finished getting it on today. We had to get a rocker switch. We ain't had no rain. It probably ain't that wet. Dang it, I forgot to take my good shoes off. Well, there probably ain't that much water in the creek anyways. I like the way the light bar looks. I think it looks pretty good. It leans a little bit to the left side, but we don't talk about that. We didn't notice it until after we got it on. I hope it's waterproof. It's supposed to be. I got a 2-year warranty on it, so if it goes under and gets a bunch of water in it, and they're like, "Sir, how did all the water get in it?" I'm gonna be like, "I don't know. I left it out in the rain one night and I came back and all this water was in it." Oh, I just realized I had a piece to like one of my GoPro mounts, so I'm gonna put this in here real quick. Got a shirt for cushion, so when I go over bumps, it don't crack anything that's in there. I just left my phone at the house since it's new and I'm not trying to mess anything up again. Left my fishing rod and tackle box at Slate's. Well, my phone was broke. I went fishing at his grand, so I didn't record a video there. But when I get that back, I left my nice bait caster over there. I'm gonna make some more fishing videos for y'all. Any mud right here? No, not really. Just wet dirt. Alrighty. Watch the creek be dry. Oh no, yeah, it's really dry. Oh, no! I knew it was gonna be dry. I haven't been back here in quite a minute. Now that right there is low too. Is it even at the floorboards? Barely. Well, there ain't no point in trying to water wheel it. Made it up that. Oh, there's my bike. I just left it chilling over there. Watch out, Deuce. Watch out, Deuce. It's pretty muddy right here today. It's probably gonna be real muddy. Everything's drying up. I know it's gonna be muddy actually. Oh, somebody done dug out right there. Probably me. Yeah, let's be honest, it was me. Chow Deuce, I gotta see how deep it is here. They call me the green bean depth finder, son. No, it ain't that deep. Still deep enough to do a little water wheelie. That's good. I gotta be careful running into stuff like this now that I got this light bar on. Like running over bushes and stuff. So, oh. Thank the Lord for front brakes. I'm still missing my light pod. I never found it, sadly. I think it's in the creek. When this dries up, I'm gonna look for it. If I can't find it then, I'm just gonna order a new one, $3, it ain't hurting. Or either I'm just gonna go to the Honda place and buy a replacement one. Freaky, the tree's getting shaved. Alrighty. Getting second. Yeah, I do all my water wheelies, everything in second. For my newer viewers, I know some of y'all were asking that. We got a lot of grinding and work to do since all them videos got took down, sadly. Well, not took down, since I accidentally deleted them. None of this was really YouTube's fault, it was my fault. Well, mostly my broken phone's fault, but still. I shouldn't have been messing around like that. How deep is this? Oh, it ain't even close to the exhaust or my light bar's wired. At least I hope not. Well, I'm gonna see since I'm in the shade if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it turned on a little bit. I'm gonna see how deep it is over here. Can't be that deep. Oh, I just realized changing gears right here ain't gonna be fun in these hay dudes. I'm just gonna roll in. I just use my hand to shift. I've done that plenty of times. How deep is it? Oh, it ain't deep. It ain't nowhere near the exhaust or the snorkel. Whoop. There we go. I gotta keep these shoes nice. We got honors night coming up. Well, award night, or whatever it's called. Sometimes you just gotta let her eat, you know what I mean? Oh, this is gonna be sandy mud. Knew it. I'm about to hit a jump right here, son. Oh, dang. Alrighty. Deuce, you gonna get on now? Alright, I think it's a little bit darker here than it was in the creek. I'm gonna test the light bar. I'm gonna give y'all a nice front view. That's how we wired it. We wired it that little switch there. Oh yeah. I'm blinding myself right now, but it don't matter. It's pretty nice. Get you one if you want. For all y'all want to know what it is, it's a Nightlight light bar. It's $26 on Amazon. It's a 12-inch. It's the 300 watts one. And I just got the white lights because the amber was a little bit extra money. And I personally think the white light looks better than orange, yellow. Tonight we're gonna shine some deers. My dad was picking on me about that. He was trying to talk like me too. He said, "Me and Deuce gonna shine some deers." Come on. At least I still got this light pod cover up. I'll make sure it's still in there good. We ain't losing another one. R.I.P. that one. I might never find it until the creek dries, which should be like a day or two. Come on, Deuce. Come on, Deuce. When the creek dries, it starts getting really low, I'm gonna dig me out a mud hole. It's a nice one. Come on, Deuce. So maybe it'll last till summer. Deuce taking a dump. Well, can't show that on YouTube, I don't think. I don't know. All I know is I'm trying to get the money, bro, so I ain't gonna show that. I got bars, y'all heard that? Deuce, come on. Hey, come on, Deuce. Deuce. Deuce, come on. Come on. You better be glad I don't got no stick right now. Come on. Deuce. Idiot, come on. Come on, dum-dum. Dang. I love my dog. I'm just messing with him, giving him a hard time, you know what I mean? Come on, Deuce. Deuce! Hey, now he's peeing. I'm act like I'm driving. Maybe then to load up. Here! Deuce, here! Here! Alright, thank you. Come on, load up. Come on. Load up. Oh. I forgot what I was going to say. Deuce! Here! She do that crap again, dang. Better be glad we're recording right now. You can get you a whooping. y'all, I don't beat Deuce. Don't beat y'all's dogs, kids. I gotta be a good influence. Don't do that. Because if you do, it's gonna make God not happy. It's gonna make him sad. So don't do that. Be nice to your pets. Right, Deuce? I'm nice to you. Just when you don't listen, I'm not. You don't. Oh, he's going to the armadillo hole. I did give him permission to do that the other day. Get him, Deuce! I think he's going to the armadillo hole. Better be. Yep. I don't think he's going to it. It's right up here. There's two of them. I'm trying to see. I think he forgot where it's at. It's somewhere in here. Here it is. Let's see if the armadillo's in here. He ran him down into the hole last time. He almost got him. No, the armadillo ain't in there, Deuce. Come on. Nice try, though. I support that. Come on. Come on, Deuce. Idiot. Come on. Deuce. Load up. Load up. Here. Load up and stay. Load up. Stay on the four-wheeler, son. Stay. I think I need to go refill my gas after this video. I'm pretty sure I do. It ain't hit blow yet. It ain't started flashing. I'm a little bit scared to do wheelies on here now with this. I'm scared it's gonna, like, when I slam the front down, it's gonna mess something up. This thing up yet or do nothing stupid, so I don't think we're gonna wheelie this video, and I want this dum-dum to stay on. Next up, I know some of y'all been asking, when's the snorkel coming? I'm not getting the snorkel till after I get tires, and it's summertime, so most of the water I ride in is kind of drying up or getting low, so we don't need no snorkel right now. I'm gonna get tires, then the snorkel. I'm probably gonna get wheels and tires, then the snorkel. Then probably a speaker and then a winch. I'm not buying an exhaust unless any brand wants to send me one, which I know is not going to happen. I would buy an exhaust, but it's just extra money to spend. I'd rather go ahead and get the golf cart build done. But any brands out there, I know this ain't going to happen, but if y'all want to send me something, just DM my Insta, BirdieTrump136. And I'll gladly accept it, and I'll promote your brand too. Yeah, and y'all go follow the Insta, BirdieTrump136. I don't know why I did my hand like that, like I was reading off of something. But make sure y'all go follow that, please. That'd make my day. If we can hit 500 followers on there, and if we can hit 5K on YouTube, that's the goal right now. We're uploading 2 vids a day until 5K. I didn't get to upload 2 vids a day yesterday because I wasn't home. That's my fault. I'm not every day. The days that it's possible to do that on. I know some of y'all are going to say you could have just wired the light bar into these lights, the stock lights, but we didn't know which wire was which, and we weren't going to cut something to mess it up, so we just decided to do it on our own. And I kind of like having a separate switch for it. Deuce, come on! Load up! Now this video is kind of short today. We're going to try and have some longer ones. Yet again, I'm uploading tonight. I'm probably going to night ride. I'm going to ask my parents if I can make a night riding video and ride a little bit later tonight, because, well, I don't have school tomorrow. Oh yeah, I can ride later tonight. I forgot about that. Thank God today's Friday. One more week, y'all. And it's going to be crazy. Summertime. Honda boy summer. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for all the support on the channel, and thank y'all for not forgetting about me while I was gone. Peace out.